Choosing the best top-load washing machines makes laundry care easy and efficient. These machines offer powerful wash cycles, fabric-specific modes, and spacious drums ideal for large loads. So with the advanced water-saving technology, they reduce waste and are eco-friendly. The simple design allows for easy loading and maintenance, making them great for busy households. In this video, I will be showing you top 3 best top-load washing machines that you can buy. So do stick to the video till the end and let me know in the comment section which top load washing machine did you like the most. And for all the machines, links are provided in the description and also tagged in this video. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. Whirlpool 7 kg 5-star Royale fully automatic top load washing machine. The Whirlpool fully automatic washing machine is designed to provide a powerful and efficient wash while being gentle on your clothes. With a 7 kg capacity and a 5-star energy rating, this washing machine is ideal for small to medium-sized families. The 12 washing programs cater to different fabric types and soil levels, while the Express Wash features saves times on smaller roads. Buy this amazing top-load washing machine for its powerful wash and multiple wash programs. So what buyers are saying it online. So buyers are very impressed with the washer dryer combo to be a great value for money with easy to use setting and no complicated features. And some report concerns about the build quality, functionality and installation, but many have given good ratings for this washing machine. Links are provided in the description and also tagged in this video. Haier 7 kg 5-star Oceanus wave drum washing machine, fully automatic top-load washing machine. Haier 7 kg fully automatic top-load washing machine is designed to simplify your laundry needs with an advanced Oceanus wave technology. With a 5-star energy efficiency rating, it delivers powerful cleaning while conserving water and electricity. Its 7 kg capacity is ideal for medium-sized families, offering a seamless washing experience. The sleek, durable design ensures longevity, while the smart features like digital controls and customized wash programs cater to different fabric types. Experience the perfect blend of technology, convenience, and style with this top-load washing machine. Buy this amazing machine for its advanced Oceanus Wave technology for effective cleaning. 5-star energy rating ensures low power consumption. So what buyers are impressed about this washing machine? Buyers consider the washer-dryer combo a good value for money and praised its wash quality, noise, performance, build and color maintenance. So overall, it's a great washing machine. Samsung 8 kg 5-star Ecobubble Tech digital inverter motor, soft closing, amazing top-loading washing machine which is fully automatic. It is the overall best one. The Samsung fully automatic Ecobubble washing machine features innovative Ecobubble technology, ensuring deep and gentle clean for your clothes. With a large capacity and a range of wash programs, this washing machine is perfect for busy households. The built-in EcoDrum Clean technology keeps the machine fresh and odor-free, while the digital inverter motor offers quiet and efficient operation. Many are praising the washer-dryer combo for its great value, easy operation and efficient cleaning even in cold water. It's also energy efficient and quiet in operation. Links are provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.